Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Gopro Goalie YouTube channel. We're playing a scrimmage here in Port Coquitlam, British Columbia at Planet Ice Coquitlam. Let's rock and roll. And here's the net cam angle. The player's going wide. He cuts across and goes for the backhand 5-hole, but the Gopro Goalie shuts it down. He's coming down with some speed here. He takes a shot. The rebound comes back to the slot. However, I'm able to push across and just get the pad on it. Nice save. Now the player's coming down the wing. He takes a hard shot right off the pad. The rebound looks like it's going top corner, but the Gopro Goalie flashes the leather. Enormous. In this goal, the player cuts wide, makes a nice centering pass to the forward, and he was able to snipe it low side, and he scores. Nice passing play here by Team Blue, and the end result is a top corner goal. Comes a nice goal by Johnny Wolf. He receives the puck on the far side and he snaps it short side past the blockers and he puts it in the net. So on this play, guys, I move up to the top of the blue paint. The puck comes across the forward. He cuts into the slot, he rips it, but the goalie makes a save.
Here's a 2-on-1 with Wolfie.
And here comes Wolfie and another guy on a 2-on-1. I'm able to get down and shut the 5-hole. Now here's a long pass. Here's a breakaway moving in. He fakes the shot. The goalie bites and he roofs it upstairs. And now it's time to switch ends, and we got another tender taking over the GoPro net cam. Then the puck comes into the slot, a quick shot, and the goalie makes the save and smothers it up. And here's a nice save coming up. You square to the shooter and takes it right to the chest. Nice save. Got a little scramble taking place in front of the net, and the puck comes loose and it's batted in. Nice goal. Nice save by the goaltender. He shuts the 5-hole down and keeps the puck out of the net. We got a nice save coming up here. The old poke check in. How do you do? What a dandy. Now this is really close to going in, but I'm not sure. I think the goalie snags it just on the line. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at that in slow motion. There it is. It's in the pocket, but it's hard to say. I'm gonna say no goal, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments.